Hello and welcome to PhysioTough Highlight. Today we will be discussing Phase 2 Rotator Cuff Repair Rehabilitation.
So with Phase 2 Rotator Cuff Repair Rehabilitation, we ultimately want to continue promoting range of motion through passive range of motion and active assist range of motion exercises, along with multiplanar scapular movements to reduce dyskinesia and or hiking.
Superficial ice continues to be beneficial during this stage, especially following maximum safe tolerable range of motion promotion. Follow along with the rest of this post to see visual examples of interventions.